Hello riders, welcome back. Today, we're talking about a machine that blurs the line between scooter and adventure bike, the 2025 Honda X-ADV 750. This isn't your ordinary maxi scooter, it's a rugged, high-performance adventure crossover that combines city comfort with off-road capability. Let's explore what makes the new XADV one of the most exciting two-wheelers in 2025. Design: urban style meets off-road toughness. From the first glance, the 2025 Honda XADV 750 makes a statement. It has a bold, adventure-ready stance with aggressive bodywork, a tall windscreen, and rugged detailing. Honda has refined the lines to look sharper and more aerodynamic while keeping that muscular ADV presence. The bike is built with a robust frame and high ground clearance, making it equally at home on city streets or gravel tracks. The underseat storage and clever compartments make it perfect for daily commuting, while the adventure styling ensures it's never mistaken for just another scooter. Engine and performance, power with purpose. At the heart of the new XADV is a 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine. Honda has tuned it to deliver smooth, strong torque in the low and mid ranges, ideal for both urban acceleration and trail climbing. It's paired with Honda's dual-clutch transmission, DCT, giving you the choice between fully automatic ease or manual-style shifting via handlebar paddles. The power delivery is responsive yet controlled, making it a joy to ride whether you're weaving through traffic or tackling dirt tracks. Chassis and suspension, built for versatility. The XADV rides on a strong tubular steel frame designed for stability and agility. The long travel Showa suspension absorbs potholes, bumps, and rough terrain effortlessly. The 17-inch front and 15-inch rear wheels, fitted with dual-purpose tires, provide confidence on different surfaces. For riders who enjoy a sporty feel, the chassis offers precise handling and excellent balance, even when fully loaded with gear. Braking and safety, advanced control. Honda hasn't compromised on safety. The 2025 XADV comes with dual front disc brakes and a rear disc, backed by dual-channel ABS. Honda's traction control system helps maintain grip in slippery conditions, while the riding modes allow you to tailor throttle response and power delivery to match the terrain. Technology and comfort, modern rider's dream. Inside the cockpit, the XADV features a full-color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to access navigation, calls, and music through Honda's smartphone voice control system. The seat is ergonomically designed for long-distance comfort, and the adjustable windscreen provides excellent wind protection for highway cruising. Heated grips and multiple storage compartments make it even more practical for year-round riding. Adventure-ready practicality. What makes the XADV stand out is how effortlessly it transitions between roles. In the city, it's nimble, efficient, and comfortable. On the weekend, it transforms into a capable adventure machine with enough performance to tackle light off-road routes. The 22-liter underseat storage easily fits a full-face helmet, making it as convenient as it is capable. Fuel efficiency and range. Despite its powerful engine, Honda has kept efficiency in mind. The 2025 XADV offers impressive fuel economy, allowing riders to travel long distances on a single tank. Combined with a large fuel capacity, it's perfect for touring and commuting without constant fuel stops. Conclusion: the crossover king. The 2025 Honda XADV 750 proves that you don't have to choose between practicality and adventure. With its bold design, capable performance, advanced technology, and everyday convenience, it's the ultimate two-wheeled crossover. If you want a machine that can handle your daily commute, weekend tours, and spontaneous off-road adventures, the new XADV is ready to deliver. That's all for today's review here on Bike Review Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews on the latest motorcycles and scooters hitting the roads in 2025 and beyond.